Women chase men for this surprising reason only. In the world of relationships, there has always been a curiosity about what really motivates a woman to chase a man. Looks, money, or status are often thought to be the main factors. But what if I told you that there is a much deeper and surprising reason that really drives a woman to want to be around a man? This reason, although it may seem simple at first glance, has a powerful psychological impact. The sense of emotional security. Women, deep down, look for a man who can provide them with emotional stability. It is not about the man solving all their problems or being available all the time, but about the feeling he conveys. When a woman feels that she can trust a man, that he understands her, the woman can trust him. When a woman respects her, and does not judge her, an emotional connection is born that is difficult to break. That kind of man offers her a security that goes beyond the physical or material. Emotional security means that a woman can be vulnerable without fear of being hurt. When a woman feels that her emotions are valued and protected, she begins to see that man as someone unique. This leads her to want to be close to him, to seek his presence, and in many cases, to unconsciously pursue him. It is that human need to feel seen and understood that triggers this behavior. On the other hand, many men make the mistake of trying to impress with frills or superficial tactics without realizing that what really matters is the emotional connection. When a man is authentic, confident, and emotionally stable, he creates an environment of trust. This trust is like a magnet for women. In short, the surprising reason why women chase men is not something superficial, but a man's ability to provide emotional security. This feeling of support and understanding is so powerful that it can make a woman constantly seek out that man's presence. At the end of the day, what really matters is how a man makes her feel inside, and that is what truly attracts women.